Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your Hik-Connect app onto your Chromecast. This way you can see your security cameras whenever you like. Okay, in order to do this, we have to download a couple of apps. And you're also going to need the Google Home app. Either on your phone or your tablet, you will need that as well. Okay, so let's get to it. So there's a couple things we need to download, and there's a couple things we need to set up on the Chromecast before we do anything. So first things first. So we're going to go to the gear, system, about, right over here, Android TV OS build. You're going to click on here about 5 times. So as you guys can see at the bottom, there, you are now a developer. So now we can actually start downloading some apps now. Okay, so now we're a developer, so let's go to apps. First app, go to the search bar, we need downloader. If I go right here, this is the one we need. If yours doesn't show up here, just go over here, type it in, and it will pop up. So press OK. Install. Open. Allow. OK. Now we go to the search bar, press OK. And over here, you got to type in the following number. So just head down to numbers. So you're going to do 6, 5, 9, 2, 6, 7. Go. Just gotta wait for the countdown. It's gonna redirect you to my website. Okay, so we have to download 3 apps. So let's head down. Gonna head down to where it says software. Okay, I do have 2 Hik-Connect apps here. I got the version 4 and the version 6. I don't recommend the 6. The only reason why is it times out after 5 minutes. The 4 will stay on. So we're going to download the 4. So press OK. So over here, because it's an unknown app, we have to hit OK, go to settings. And we go down one, we need to turn this on. There's no other way of doing it. This is the only way you guys could do it. So once that's done, now we head over to install. This will take a few more minutes. Okay, we're not going to open. We're just going to hit done. Return out. Then go delete. Delete again. So the next one we're going to download is, we're just going to go down a bit. Right here. Mouse toggle for Android TV. We need this. So press OK. Your download should start. It's a small file. Then just go install. Once again, we're not going to open it. Just hit done. Then delete. Delete again. And the third one we need is this one right here. Hik-Connect Chromecast add-on. So press OK. Install. You're going to get this message. Just go to more detail. Install anyway. Then hit done. Delete. Delete again. Okay, so now we're ready to set this up. So let's hit the home button. Okay, so if we go down to our apps, and here's the Hik-Connect app, and here's the mouse app. Before we go any further, we need to set up the mouse app. So if you click on it, as you guys can see here, the permissions not granted, services not running. We need to set this up. You can't do it from here, but there's more to it. So I'm just going to hit the home button on the remote. Let's go all the way to the top. To settings, press OK. First thing we're going to go to is apps. Press OK. Go all the way down to special app access. Press OK. Right over here, display over other apps. Press OK. Now we're going to look for the mouse app. It's right here. So now press OK to turn it on. So now it's allowed. Hit the return key. Return key again. One more time. Now we're going to go down one to system. First option, accessibility. Press OK. Now we're going to head down to mouse toggle services. It's off right now. We need to turn it on. So turn it on right here. Enable. Press OK. Now return out. We're still in their system. Now we're just going to go down to developer options. If you don't have this, that means you went too far. Go back to the beginning of the video. I'll show you how to get this option. If you have it, press OK. Go down to USB debugging. Make sure this is on. Press OK. And now it's on. So now we hit the home button. Okay, so let's go back down to the app. Right here, the mouse app. Press OK. So as you guys can see on the top now, permissions is granted and accessibility is running. So now, these two options here, you could change the size if you want, the speed of the mouse. But what we're going to do is, right here, border window, we're going to check mark that. And we're going to check mark this bottom button. We need to set a button for the mouse on our remote control. The only two buttons we could use are the YouTube button and the Netflix button. So you do have to choose one of these. You have no other option. I'm going to be choosing the YouTube button. Netflix, if you want to add more of a shortcut. Keep in mind, guys, you can always go to the home page and just manually go it. These are just shortcuts. So what you got to do is we're going to hit detect. Now we're going to press and hold. Once again, I'm doing YouTube, but you could do Netflix. So you press and hold it for 3 seconds. You're going to get this. Doesn't matter. Just hit cancel. We just need that code. So the code is 190. So now hit the return key. So now we go over here, click OK. Now we're going to type in 190. Check mark. Head over to save. So now if you tap the YouTube button, you'll get the mouse. So the minute you press the OK button, you're going to get this pop up. I'm just going to hit the YouTube button 2 times just to exit out of the mouse app. And now the remote works just like a remote. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on always allow from this computer. Then we go to allow. Now if I hit the mouse button again, so to exit out of the mouse app, in my case the YouTube button, 2 times. 1 time is just scroll mode, and 2nd time is exit. Okay, so now it's back there. Now I'm going to hit the back button on the remote to exit out. Okay, so let's head over to the Hik-Vision app. If you don't have it already and you need to download it, what we're looking for is the Google Home app, and we will need it for this part as well. So let's open it up. Okay, so you're going to get this. Now we're going to hit our mouse function. Click on agree. I'm going to go to skip. Skip again. Just press OK to get rid of that. If you guys want to log in, it's right here if you want to see all your cameras. I'm going to set it up so that it becomes just a local device. I noticed the cameras load up quicker. If you already have your recorder in the same network, then I would recommend this option. So click on the little plus, and we're going to do online devices. There is mine right here. So just click on it. Go all the way to the bottom, add. And right here, we have to enter our username and password. So click on it. This is why we need the app, because no matter what we do here, it will not work. So the mouse option is a little bit limited. So if you don't have the Google Home app, just head over to the App Store. This is the one we want. I already have it installed. So just click on open. Right here at the bottom, 2nd option, devices. Now if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you should have local devices. If you don't have this option, that means your phone, tablet, whatever you're using is not on the same network as your Chromecast. Make sure you have them both on the same Wi-Fi. So tap on Chrome, and right here we got the remote option. And automatically it's going to bring up the keyboard. So now we just type in our information right there. Click on next. Now we enter the password of your recorder. Then hit return. Now we grab our remote control again. Head over to save. If you did it correctly, it would have popped up, and right over here it'll say completed. Now we hit the return key, and it's right here. Press OK, open it up. If you get this message, that means your encryption on your recorder is turned on. If you don't know this code, head over to your recorder under network, then advanced. What you're looking for is platform. If you click on platform, it will show you this code. Then just enter the code once again using the app. Once you type it, just head over to OK. and you'll get your camera. So a little trick, instead of entering it on each one of your cameras, especially if you have like 16 cameras, just hit the return key on the remote, exit out of it. Now go back and just click on the recorder again to go back in, and all your cameras should pop up. All right, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.